What if one drone could capture everything around you, cinematic 360 video and high-speed FPV action in a single flight? That's exactly what the upcoming DJI Avata 360 is rumored to deliver. And if the leaks are accurate, this could be one of the biggest innovations from DJI in years. The biggest highlight is its hybrid design. Instead of choosing between a traditional FPV drone and a 360 camera setup, this model is expected to combine both. Leaks suggest a dual camera system with large 1/1.1-inch sensors, significantly bigger than what most FPV drones offer. That means better low-light performance, sharper details, and improved dynamic range for cinematic footage. Even more interesting, the camera module is expected to rotate, allowing you to switch between full 360-degree capture and standard forward-facing FPV mode. In 360 mode, the drone could support 8K recording at 60 frames per second. This gives creators the ability to reframe shots later, change angles, and create multiple perspectives from a single flight. Switch to FPV mode, and it may record 4K at up to 120 frames per second, perfect for smooth slow-motion footage during high-speed dives, car tracking shots, or cinematic action scenes. This means one drone could replace multiple tools, saving both time and money. Design-wise, the drone is expected to follow a compact Cinewoop-style frame with full propeller guards, making it safer for indoor flying in tight spaces. Unlike traditional FPV drones that use 3 blade props, this model may feature 4 blade propellers for smoother throttle control and improved stability. The estimated weight is around 370 to 380 grams, with a flight time of 23 to 25 minutes, which is impressive for a high-resolution 360 FPV platform. There are also rumors of a new fast-charging hub that can recharge multiple batteries efficiently. On the intelligence side, the drone could include multi-directional obstacle sensing, with forward and side sensors, and possibly even lidar assistance. If true, this would make it one of DJI's safest and smartest FPV drones yet. Transmission is expected to use the DJI O4 system for lower latency and stronger signal performance. It should also be compatible with DJI Goggles N3 and the DJI RC2, giving pilots flexible control options. Pricing is rumored to be tiered. A drone-only version could start around $400 to $500, while combo kits with controllers may range between $600 and $700. Full Fly More bundles with extra batteries and goggles could reach $800 to $1,000, depending on the package and region. Meanwhile, DJI has also released a recent DJI Fly update focused on stability improvements, although major software changes haven't been detailed yet. If these leaks turn out to be true, the DJI Avata 360 could redefine aerial filmmaking, giving creators full cinematic control from a single flight. So the question is, would you switch to a 360 FPV drone like this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech and drone updates. I'll see you in the next one.